Hello everyone and welcome in GHL Plugin. In this video, we're going to be talking about Wrike app from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate different actions such as to create a group, to search a group by name, to update a group, to delete groups, to create workflows, to search by name, to update workflows, to create space, to search space by name, to update space and delete space directly from your workflow app in GHL for your Wrike account. So let me show you how to set it up and test an action. First off, you got to make sure that you're connected on your GHL Plugins account. And if you're a new member in this platform, make sure that your agency is linked to your GHL Plugins account. How do you link your agency? You make sure you come here, link accounts, and you come down here, link agency. You automatically open a new window leading you to Marketplace, where you have to select the agency that you want to link to your GHL Plugins account. So you select the agency, and you allow some access to all sub accounts within the agency and enable automatic future installations just to make sure that our tools continue working with the existing sub accounts as well as the future ones. When you're done with it, you proceed and you're automatically sent back to GHL Plugins account. This time to select the workflow apps. So let's go on workflow apps. And as you can see, we have here available apps and install apps. Like I said, if this is your first experience here, you're going to search the app here at available apps. But since we already installed the apps, we just have to come here at install apps and search for Wrike. There you go, we have Wrike. Now, let me show you how to set it up. You go up here, you go at setup. Once again, you go in marketplace and follow the same process. It's about selecting the agency and enable access to all the sub accounts within the agency. And of course, enable automatic future installations. There you go. The app is already installed within the agency. We just have to copy the custom menu link. This is actually a one-time action, which means you won't have to do it anymore. So you copy the custom menu link, you make sure it's copied, and you switch to your agency. To create the custom menu link, you come here at settings and you look for custom menu link here, new. You open this form where you have to select an icon for your custom menu link. We have some beautiful icons here. You select, now you come here and you type a particular name for your custom menu link. You can decide it, for example, to name your custom menu link in my applications. And you come here and paste the custom menu link that you copy from your GHL Plugins account. And then you check some preferences here. And here you have to select a particular sub account. And here you can select any user or admin who's going to the visibility of the custom menu link. When you're done, you save. You switch to your sub account to the tool connected. Let's look for our custom menu link. Remember, we decided to name our custom menu link My Apps. We have My Apps here. Like I said, if you guys decided to name your custom menu link My Applications, make sure you have My Applications here, right? So let's go on My Apps. There you go. We have apps available and connected apps. If you're doing this process for the first time, you will have the apps available here, Wrike. If you search for Wrike, it's going to pop up here. But since it's already connected, you just have to come here at connected apps. Now, how do we connect our tool to our Wrike account? Pretty simple. First off, make sure that you copy make sure it's copied, and then setup. You have some information required. Enter your client ID and enter your client secret. How do we get all those keys? As you can notice up here, we have how to get your credentials. If you click on it, it will lead you to a smart queue guiding you how to get all those keys. But let me show you how we do it. You just have to switch to our Wrike account. Okay, we come here at the profile. We have the drop down. We come down here, apps, integrations. There you go. We go on API. There you go. And here you just have to type a name for your API. As you can see, we already created some API keys here. For example, you can say my own key. You create. You can type a description here. You have the client ID. Now, in order to get the client secret, you just come here at show, and then you type the password that you use to log in your Wrike account. There you go. And you have the client ID. And here, you just come and paste the redirect URL. Okay. When you're done, you save. You copy all those keys and you switch back to your sub account and you paste them. Once you paste all those keys, you're ready to go, and the tool is connected to your Wrike account. Now let's test an action. How do we test it? Just scroll up at the automation here to access the workflow. So we already open it. We have the workflow here, okay, and we have the different actions. So let's test an action. Let's create a group. You have create a group. How, by the way, we already have some groups created here. We have my application team, apps team, okay. Those are the two groups that we've already created when testing. Now, let's go and create a new one. Let's say GHL plugin. And we save the action, make sure it's saved. And now we test the workflow. We're going to push a contact and run this test. Perfect. Now let's go check whether the test has been executed. Okay, it's been executed. Now let's switch to perfect. Now we have GHL plugins here that's been created. We just created a group, GHL plugins. But how do you access this group? Let me come back here. Okay, we switch back here. Okay, in the profile, you open the drop down, you go to settings. Settings, come here at users. Users, and you have the group, the GHL plugin that's been created. Guys, this is very amazing. We just test an action inside our workflow directly from GHL into our Wrike account. This is beautiful. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have our support team who's available 24/7. Don't forget, guys, to leave some comment. You can chat with us on our Facebook page, GHL Plugins. Thank you very much for watching this video, and once again, welcome to GHL Plugin.